Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G22 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find passwords and accounts. Of course, here we've got whole Google section and we can manage Google account using it, obviously, but I personally prefer to do it using passwords and accounts, so let me tap on it. As you can see here, we've got this section accounts for owner, and this is the section we are looking for. So let's simply tap on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, so you can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. What's more, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol. After tapping on next, your device will autofill it. And right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so let me stick with this first option. And here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And of course, you can remove it also whenever you want to. Just tap on it. And here, tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock, so the pattern, PIN or password, then your device will simply ask you to enter it in order to confirm your whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your MOTOROLA Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.